So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the stock market news here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Yahoo Finance application. Once that is done, I want you to go into the bottom left hand side of your screen and press on the news icon located between the home button as well as the discover button. So right down below, bottom left, press on news. Now, once you're on the news screen, what you can also do is just simply scroll down and view a whole bunch of different news articles if you're choosing. So there's a whole bunch of different news articles from a couple hours ago, from when they were posted. And for example, if you're looking for this one, for example, Canada Goose eyes price hikes as budget tighten at home, but business booms in China. You can view that if you want. Maybe this one, Canada braces for possible wave of business bankruptcy. So if you wanted to go ahead and read that article, feel free. You can definitely do that right here. Just scroll down and read the news article for yourself. Also, too, located in the top right, you can press on the search bar icon or the magnifying glass and search up different stocks that you can view the news regarding the stock market if you want to as well. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the stock market news here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.